And you always need to wash your hands before you touch the dough. And Daddy usually makes the pizza, and he usually puts on the green egg. And so we're gonna, and sometimes, and so odd. One time we made it, so we're gonna make it again. I mean, 2 times, because one time on Blake's birthday and another time. So let's do it 2 times. So first I'm going to put the flour. Okay, but you're going to go and then I'm going to go next. Get the flour. Okay, I got the flour, Blicky. Okay, now I'm going to put mine in. I have to top it. No, you need to keep it open here. I need a lot. I need a little bit too. Spread. Now I'm gonna roll the dough. It can be hard to roll too. Okay, please can I have a paper towel, Mom? Okay,
Sure.
now time to flip it. I'm doing what Daddy's doing. Okay, now I'm gonna put some oil. Can I have the roller, Blicky? And also make sure you subscribe and like this video and hit that little bell and share. Okay, we're going on to the next thing. What are we going to use next, Blakey? Oil! Yeah, so you can get the oil and you can go first. Be careful because it's glass. And don't put too much. And because I need some in. I think. Can I have the oil? Mm-hmm. Not going to put too much. Just a little bit. Okay, I think that's enough. That's a lot of oil, Blake. Mine is good. Ooh, oil. I need a pen. Okay, now, next, we're gonna, I told you, it's so oily. Yeah, I hate it. Now, we're gonna use the tomato sauce. So I'm gonna get my spoon. And I'm going to get some tomatoes. I think I found it. Mine is getting not good. Okay, I'm gonna get a lot. So I hope it doesn't get on the crust. Just don't get it on the crust. So I can put my hands on the crust. I need to put my hands on the crust. Blakey. Okay, me too. Because I want all of it to just show the dough. It needs to show the tomato sauce too. I don't want to eat tomato. I don't know what it tastes like. You tasted it? Now I'm gonna taste. Me too. I'm gonna break cheese. Go over here. Look at the heart.
Whoa. Let's see. Wow, nice.
Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more. It's taking us not a lot. Sprinkle, sprinkle, little star. Sprinkle, sprinkle, little star. Sprinkle, sprinkle, little star. Highway going to bless you. Okay, mine. Mine is filling a lot. Whoa! Yours is gonna be cheesy, cheesy, cheesy pizza. So I'm getting any big bowl. Now I'm gonna put
Oh, Lord.
okay.
Oh, my goodness.
I just like it. I just like the cheese. Ew, ew. Mommy,
Yes.
wait.
Okay, go get the tray. Over there. All right, let's move the bowl.
I'm gonna put it on.
Let's place it
I'm
here.
gonna put it on.
You're gonna put it on?
I'm gonna put it on.
All right, I'll help you. One moment.
Okay, now it's gonna put it in the oven.
All right.
Okay. Now I'm gonna get my tray. Okay, now. Okay, now I'm gonna put my pizza on the tray. Gonna put it deep. Now we're gonna put it in the oven.
Yeah.
Mom, please you open up the oven. Okay, now it's time to taste it.
Yeah.
This is delicious. It's food. It's so cheesy.
So cheesy. Mmm.
Yeah, cheesy. You want to make another one quickly? No. Thank you for watching Brooke and Blake Funhouse. And remember to subscribe, like this video, and hit the little bell and share. Bye. Bye.